Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CGC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And then in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that, the price has made a very, very nice move. When you consider that just yesterday, the price closed there, and now all of a sudden the price is way up there. Any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price has definitely made a nice move. But that does lead to the valid question now going into next week of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at, let's see, what is that? 48. Why is $48 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. It's not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 48. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be going and putting the price right back to where it was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here. Not saying it will, but just for example's sake, behaves like that and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And I'm assuming that's, assuming you're long, that's what everybody wants to see, right? You want to see the price overall just drifting and making progress in the upwards direction. And that quote unquote progress point again, right there at 48. What about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are, pretty straightforward at this point in time. And that's right up here at this level of 49.85, or if you want to just make it a nice smooth 50, whatever floats your boat. But the point here being that there's no doubt about it. You go through the history of the chart and you can see there's quite a bit of price congestion right up around this area, even counting today and then the final 30 minutes right there. So that'll be public enemy number one going forward. In the event the price can push through the 49.85, or let's just call it 50, can push through the $50 mark, the next key overall level of resistance would be right up around $50.75. So all in all, no doubt about it, very nice bounce, very nice upwards movement the past couple of days. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.